So here guys, we have set of Uno card decks. First we have our Spy X family. Ayan sila guys. Ito yung Spy X family na collaboration. Next we have The Hero Academia. Meron ako nakita sa ibang lugar, meron silang Naruto. Meron silang Naruto. Hola amigos, in today's video, ouch! Hola amigos, in today's video, we're going to unbox a product from McDonald's. No further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So guys, we have the March 2026 toys. Hindi siya toys guys, it's a card, the collaboration with Uno and Anime, which is the March 2026 McDonald's Happy Meal toys. So the Happy Meal price as of March 6, 2026, Happy Meal option in the Philippines starting 105 pesos for burger meal and up to 143 pesos for a one-piece chicken meal, including one random Uno deck. So we have 6. So let's do this. So here guys, we have set of Uno card decks. We have 3 different kinds of anime, each Uno. Kasi meron siya sa Spy X family, and then meron din siya sa Hero Academia. So we have the classic 3, the Uno, which is the classic Uno, usual na piniplay, and then we have the Uno Flip, and then we have the Uno All Wild. Before we start guys, we have different kinds of anime. So Uno X Anime collaboration from McDonald's, which is the March 2026 Happy Meal toys. So dito sa Pilipinas guys, we have 2 animes na nag-collab. First we have our Spy X family. Ayan sila guys. Ito yung Spy X family na collaboration. Next we have The Hero Academia. Meron ako nakita sa ibang lugar, meron silang Naruto. Meron silang Naruto. So first we have our Uno Spy X family, which is ito siya guys. Ayan. So yung ano naman dito, yung standard, which is the standard gameplay, you know, and featuring all the characters art every card. So guys, if you're planning to play this, never ako nag-play ng Uno cards. I'm very sorry guys. This is very exciting kasi meron na tayong Uno cards, which is I can definitely learn it from you guys if meron kayong ano dyan, ano yung mas maganda na uunahin natin. So we have the instructions inside, and then meron tayong mga characters sa Uno. Ayan. Ito sila guys, lahat. Ito sila. So, meron tayong... We have different colors. Meron tayong yellow. We have the yellow one. Yan sila. Diba? Napakaganda. And then, meron siyang green. Aqua. Yan siya. Alam nyo guys, pareho lang din siya ng color. We have the blue one. Hindi talaga ako marunong maglaro nito. We have the red one. We have 2 black colors. Ayan sila. Ito yung standard na tinatawag nila. And then guys, meron tayong scan to play Uno online. So meron tayong Uno online na you can scan this code. And then, it's a Uno X Anime. Ayan siya. Next, we have the Uno Flip. Uno Flip features double side cards with a light side and a dark side that change when flip cards played. So, meron din siyang ano guys, sa loob, instruction. I think instruction siya para how to use it. Tama. Instructions on how to use it in different kinds of languages. First, meron tayong nito. Ayan. And then, makikita nyo guys, lahat is nandito. Ayan. Yan sila. Lahat nandyan, no? And then, aside dito, guys, lahat ng mga characters nandyan. Meron din siyang QR. And then, aside of this flipping, kaya siya tinawag na flip, kasi sa likod, pag ma-flick mo siya, meron na namang character. Ayan. Very maganda talaga siya if you know how to play Uno cards. So maganda siya, guys. Pag marunong kayo maglaro nito, you can have these cards, Happy Meal cards, as low as 105 pesos. So next, Uno All Wild na naman siya. So another one is in every card in this deck is a wild card. Making for a fast pace of unpredictable game. Yan yung description niya, guys. And meron tayong instructions again. Here's for the Spy X family. Ayan siya. Ano siya? Same card. Marami pala siya. So, all wild, parang maraming ganito. Maraming ganitong card. And then, papalit. May mapapalit ka dito. Yan, parang ganyan. Pumalit siya. Marami. Yan, pumalit naman siya. So, guys, bilhin nyo na yung 6. Ay, bilhin nyo na yung 3. Totoo. Either this one, this collection, or this collection. Ayan siya. Kasi, same lang din naman. Meron siyang Uno, meron siyang Uno Flip, and then Uno All Wild. Spy X Family, yung alam kong babae, ito, lagi to kino-cosplay sa mga events. That's it for the Spy X Family. And then dito naman si Hero Academia. Ito siya, guys, for Uno. Ayan siya. So, let's open it. I'm going to show you the cards. So, ito yung nasa loob. Ayan. If you're a fan of Uno, and then if you're a fan of Uno and then Hero Academia, ito yung para sa inyo, guys. Ayan. High quality ng cards. Hindi siya tinipid. And then, alam nyo, guys, these days, medyo maganda yung mga pinapalabas ng McDonald's ngayon. I think there's a lot of feedback sa kanila nung nag-release na ng last year. Kasi nung umpisa ng January hanggang ngayon, maganda yung mga nare-release nilang mga toys and mga Happy Meals nila from January, February, and March ngayon. Next, we have the Uno Flip. Ayan siya, guys. Here's the Uno Flip. So, the card for the Uno Flip are ito siya. Maganda siya, promise. And then, sa likod. Diba? Marami talaga siya. Ma-enjoy nyo to. Kasi, alam nyo, yung Uno na cards, mahal. Mahal siya, pang sosyal. Di kasi ako naglalaro nito, yung mga yung laro namin, baraha talaga. Mga Lucky 9, yung mga, basta ganon. Pusoy. Mga ganong game. So, ito guys, we have the Uno All Wild. Ayan siya. Feeling ko siguro pag ngayon, kasi dung time na, 34 na kasi ako, guys. So, yung Uno kasi, dito uso sa amin dati. So, ito yung uso. Ngayon, ito talaga yung mga uso ngayon. Hindi naman ako naglalaro. Ayan. Diba? Maganda siya i-collect. Mahilig kayo sa mga cards. Or mahilig talaga kayo maglaro ng Uno sa 3 variants ng Uno na to. So, ayan siya, guys. So, yung special collector feature naman nito is holographic foil card. For collectors, each deck meron siyang exclusive foil. Parang sa Pokemon, mga ganito. Ayan siya. Each deck meron ito. And then, unique rules. Meron siyang unique rules. Every anime deck contains a special rule na meron naman instruction. For example, sa Spy X Family deck might include a specific action tied to the Furger family. Ayan siya. Digital gameplay. Meron tayong QR na pinakita kanina. Meron siyang online version of the Uno X anime game. So, meron siyang online version nito, guys. So, i-release siya guys ngayong March 6 hanggang March 23. Dito naman sa Uno Spy X Family, si Lloyd Forger. Ayan siya sa classic. And then for the Uno Flip, we have Anya Forger. Ayan, here's Anya. Ayan siya. Tama ba? Tama ba yung sinasabi ko dito? And then the Forger Torn Princess. Si Your Forger. Forger. Sorry guys. Ito siya guys. Oh. Si Your Forger. Torn Princess. And then for the Hero Academia foil, we have Izuko. So yung foil naman dito guys is si Izuko Midoriya. Si Deco. Yan siya guys. And then dito naman sa flip. Wala, sino to? Si Katsuki Bakugo. Kasi, based dito sa Google, depende daw sa region. So, dito sa Pilipinas. So, dito sa All Wild, si Katsuki. Si Katsuki daw. Here's the March 2026 Happy Meal toys from McDonald's, which is Uno X Anime. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next unboxing. Adios, mi amigos. Peace out. Bye!